Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview a LFSTY 10-foot by 30-inch round frame swimming pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. This pool is the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. Pool is made with heavy-duty PVCs with 3-ply tritech walls and wall support band for increased rigidity and strength. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Supported by strong, durable steel frames, which are powder-coated for rust resistance and beauty. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits: easy to assemble, ready for water in 30 minutes. Supported by strong, durable steel frames. The package includes swimming pool and filter pump, 330-gallon or 530-gallon. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.